What is a mantra? Yeah, that was the intro, man. You're gonna find out what a mantra really is. All right, you need to know this. Let's roll. What up, YouTube? My YouTubers, all the subscribers, love you guys, fam. You know what I mean? Appreciate you a lot, for real. Yeah, a lot of people get it confused what a mantra is. Well, in the West, we get confused what yoga is. We get confused what a mantra is. We think that it's just a bunch of words and syllables, thrown together. That is sort of like a prayer. Well, a mantra is not just actually it is not a prayer. I guess I'll do a whole video on what a prayer is, but anyway, a mantra is a form of technology, and it's the sort of technology based on vibration and frequency, and it's basically the direct number to the source. The direct, if you would have a direct phone number to the president, this is the direct number to your this is the direct number to the creator, to the universe. This is how you plug in. And if you will reach the creator or not, if you will tap into the source or not, depends on your intuition and intention. It's all about intention, man. So if you say a mantra with the clearest of heart and intentions, and the purest of thoughts, then it will work. Trust me, because that is exactly what it's made for. There is such technologies in the known material universe known as tantra, mantra, and yantra. So tantra is the technology that we are basically using right now. It is the lower frequency technology that comes to us from, trust me, not good places. And this is exactly why we see in the West medicine, not one medicine that cures with thousands of side effects. This is why we see us polluting so much. This is why we see us dumping oil into oceans and so on and so forth. Cell phones, this is why so much radiation comes from cell phones. I mean, check it out, man. If you carry your cell phone long enough in your pants, let's say a guy, you can get a freaking prostate cancer, man. That's how serious it is, man. So, and the highest kind of technology is a yantra. So, and in the middle is a mantra. Well, a mantra is more powerful, it is more pure. So that is what you send your vibrations with to get in touch. And the highest, again, is a yantra. That one is, we can't even comprehend that right now, but if we would, it would be something in free energy. Well, free energy would belong to mantra. So yantra is something completely out of our grasp, but that is really what a mantra is. It is solely a vibration frequency mechanism, and if you use it right, it will work. It's food for thought. Prove to me that you're alive.